So I'm sure right now a lot of people are getting exhausted, and you need to understand that the crypto market's intent is to wear you out. They're going to try to get you to fud yourselves out of your position, to come unglued, to think that nothing's going to happen. And when you least expect it, things do in fact begin to take off. But most people are wondering, how much longer do I have to wait? When are things going to wake up in the crypto market? We're going to talk about that in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So obviously XRP's had a rough couple of days following obviously the major liquidation event in the crypto market. We've had a negative 6% day, a negative 6% day again. And right now we started green and we're sitting on what should be a level of support. We'll see if this holds as the day goes on, but we're sitting on top of basically this $2.30 to $2.40 range. And what people need to understand is XRP's had some very volatile moves in terms of price. And the reason why is XRP came off of almost a 600% move to the upside. When you see those types of moves, you're going to have some extreme volatility as people are taking profit as well. There's not a ton of liquidity up in this range. It's not fighting against a lot, but there are some gaps here, meaning that XRP price can in fact move faster. You have to remember, a 10% move in terms of XRP is 20 cents. Things are going to move very quickly. And so what we're waiting for now in the crypto market, I believe, is things to calm down, one, but we're waiting for BTC to actually start making some moves once again. So this is now starting the second day where BTC is below 100K. We're really targeting moving above this 50-day moving average. We got to flip our 20-day as well and close multiple daily candles above here. That would be a very strong sign for the crypto market. But right now, BTC is just kind of putzing along. Now, that being said, we are seeing some good signs. We're seeing capital remain within the market, even if it is getting parked in stable coins. We're seeing institutional money accumulate BTC and Ethereum. These are strong signs for the market as well. And so what we're doing now is we're stuck waiting. All right. Now, tomorrow is probably going to be an important day for the market. The reason why I'm saying this is we have the jobs report coming at 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, 8:30 Eastern. And the last 4 or 5 times we've gotten a jobs report, the market has moved one way or the other. All right. Last 2 times have been good. The times before that have been bad. So there will be some implication of this jobs report in prices in the market. It's just a question of what are we going to get? Now, what we have seen is actually this compression of short and long interest. I've talked about this in a few other videos. So the move that we probably see is going to be a volatile one. If you guys haven't noticed, things have really been compressing in the market in a big way. We have seen volatility dropping and dropping and dropping, and basically getting to this point where there's going to be an inflection point one way or the other, either something that sends us down or something that sends us up. Now, that being said, obviously there are some great things surrounding XRP and Ripple Net currently. All right. Brad Garlinghouse on the short list for the Crypto Advisory Council for the government, helping shape crypto regulation here in the U.S. Obviously, the potential of further partnerships surrounding Ripple and XRP as well here in the U.S. This embrace of U.S. crypto hasn't really gone away. I mean, there are things that can work in our favor. I do want to just touch briefly on, there was a little bit of downtime on the XRP ledger the other day, which definitely didn't help with price. XRP price would probably be more around that 250 to 260 mark currently if that hadn't happened. Unfortunately, those things do tend to happen from time to time in blockchains in the space. There are very few chains that have 100% uptime, but definitely something to monitor moving forward. But what I will say is, the market is meant to wear you out. They try to manipulate you into doing things that you're not supposed to, dumping at times when you shouldn't be. And frankly, when we look across the crypto market right now, we're doing what we've historically done. And I know I've showed this charts with some other assets on some other videos, but this total market cap of crypto is just ranging right now. We're just trending sideways. We're not making a whole lot of movement one way or the other. And what we're waiting for is the burst of excitement, the ones that sends us surging to new highs in terms of the global market cap of crypto. What I will point out is when we look at last market cycle, we were doing the same thing, same time frame, same thing, just ranging, not making much move one way or the other. And then finally, when we got into February, things started to open up in a big way. In fact, had we not had this big liquidation event in the crypto market, earlier this week, we may have been actually turning around and starting to move our way to the upside because we were just about to bounce off the bottom, right? Now, this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. And understand that we're now heading into some historic good times in crypto. Again, U.S. embrace is a big deal. We're going to have more clarity from the government surrounding regulation, more clarity surrounding what blockchains are going to be integrated by the government in general. But on a retail side, we're getting out of the darkness of winter. We are getting into tax time, more people having more capital in their pockets. People here in the US, I think it's about 15 to 18% of the US currently in crypto. Some of that is probably going to flow into the crypto market, maybe making prices move just a little bit, but we may start having some of these liquidation events to the upside. There is heavy short interest in the market right now. And just as we had a liquidation event to the downside, we could see that similar upside movement. I'm not saying it's going to be at as big of a level as we saw back just earlier this week, but upside movement nonetheless. The biggest thing you need to know is we just need to be patient. We need to let these things play out. We are on a very big path here. Enterprise and governments are going to push the embrace of crypto. And luckily, with XRP being the third largest asset in crypto and really making some major headway now that things are beginning to open up in the US, that is going to be a very big deal for XRP and XRP Ledger and Ripple long term. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.